It's hot like a fat bitch pussy in Mexico. Welcome back to Harry's motherfucking channel. You already know what's going on. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share. Don't forget. Thanks. Okay, I was so excited to do this. It's this post that I've been seeing all over Instagram, and I think it got started from TikTok. It's like the album in the glass frame or whatever. I'm gonna have it right over here. I've been wanting those for the longest. I've been trying to save them to my cart, add them to my cart, even though I ain't got no $25 plus shipping. My cousin was like, Herbie, you know you can just print out the paper and then tape it? Like, bro, I could have been had like all plaques for myself. Like, what are you talking about, son? What are you talking about? Listen, so you're gonna need some clear. So this is so you're gonna need some clear tape. I would prefer Scotch clear tape. So I got me some Scotch at the dollar store. You know, Family Dollar be coming through, but they didn't have the glass cases though. That dumbass. Anyway, you need a Sharpie. It needs to be with the fine print. I mean, a paint, Sharpie paint, oil based. It looks like this. So you're gonna need that to do this project, and make sure you get it in extra fine. And then I also found this. Thank God I found this while I was at the cashier at Family Dollar.
Bullshit, don't even work. I want my money back.
This, to go ahead and have your glass stand on it so it can stay still. You're gonna need some glass cleaner. You're gonna need glass. I just took one of them picture frames, and I printed out my song from Janine Echo, which is Comfort and Ending freestyle. I love that song. Oh my gosh, I don't understand. Like, the new Janine Echo, it don't really hit for me. Like Pussy Fairy, like I'm not really into it. But the old Janine Echo records, if y'all know about them, they hit. They really hit. Let me go ahead and prepare all the elements. You're gonna go ahead and take your glass cleaner and go ahead and spray it there. Paper, any type of paper that you have to clean it, just like this. Then you're gonna take your oil-based pen, take it out, and just write it across so it can already be aligned. And I know you want to get it perfect. You don't want to mess it up. That's why you gotta get extra fine. Get your Scotch tape at all four corners of the back and just slightly have it out so it can be able to stick. You guys have it. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna just clean it, like wipe it down once I get a chance. But yeah, here's the finished product. Can't wait to do more things like these. Go ahead and leave in the comments down below of more DIYs that you guys want me to actually do in the future. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, period. This is Harry's motherfucking channel. You already know what's going on. Deuces.